In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out of an Excel spreadsheet. Zooming is a quick way to make your worksheet easier to read without changing the actual size of your data. It won't affect your print settings or the values in your cells. It simply changes how large or small everything looks on your screen. Let's walk through two easy ways to control it so you can work comfortably and efficiently. First, use the on-screen zoom controls. Look to the bottom right corner of the Excel window. You'll see a slider with a minus button on the left, a plus button on the right, and a percentage indicator nearby. Drag the slider to the right to zoom in and make text and numbers larger. Drag it to the left to zoom out and see more columns and rows at once. If you prefer smaller, precise changes, click the plus or minus buttons a few times to nudge your view up or down in small increments. Keep an eye on the percentage number as you adjust. It gives you a clear sense of how far you've zoomed. A range between 90% and 130% is comfortable for most screens, but feel free to tailor it to your eyesight and monitor size. Remember, zoom is set per worksheet, so if you move to another sheet, you may want to adjust it again to match your preference. The second method is even faster if you're using a mouse. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then roll your mouse wheel to zoom. Scrolling forward zooms in, and scrolling backward zooms out. This is great for quickly focusing on a small set of cells, then pulling back to see the big picture. For laptops with touchpads, the same idea applies when you use the two-finger scroll while holding Control. One important tip: make sure your mouse pointer is over the worksheet area when you do this. If it's over a menu or pane, the zoom might not change. If the direction feels reversed, zooming in when you expect to zoom out, you can adjust your mouse or touchpad scroll direction in your device settings. And if you find yourself scrolling the sheet by mistake, release the Control key first. Then scroll to move around without changing your zoom. That's it. Use the bottom right zoom slider and buttons for steady, visual control, or hold Control and scroll for quick, on-the-fly adjustments. With these two techniques, you'll keep your view crisp, comfortable, and perfectly suited to the task at hand.